Alright guys, so today we're going to be tearing this head apart. We'll take it out. I guess we can hold on for the ambulance to pass by. Alright, so we're taking that head off, and I got to pull that block out to see what the hell happened or what's going on, or to see how bad the damage is. What's going on, guys? I mean, I don't got a tripod and all, so this could be a little bit difficult for me to record. So I'm just going to record what I'm doing and then show you when I remove it. So right now, I'm going to end up removing the manifold. I'm taking the turbo with me and the wastegate. I just got to unbolt these right here. All those. And then the manifold and turbo's coming out with it. Alright, now we got this off. Turbo's right there with the manifold and the return and the wastegate. Gotta remove all the spark plug wires. I'm gonna leave the dizzy bolted on right here. I'm just gonna do the bottom one, so that way when I take off the cam cap, I can remove the whole dizzy with it and I don't have to remember where I left it on timing. So now I gotta remove these bad boys for the breather, so I can take the valve cover off. And this doesn't take too long. So that one's off. That one's about to come off right now. Just move those aside for now. Now I gotta take off this ground. Just move that over there. Now I gotta remove this one for the feed, and this is for the return for the gas. And I gotta remove the ground. Then I can actually take the valve cover off. And then I can start pulling the head off too. Before we actually remove the valve cover, we gotta remember to take these off. If these don't come off, and you try yanking it off, they're all just gonna go flying everywhere. When I take all these off, I gotta come down here, and you see it? That's a 14 millimeter for the timing belt tensioner. I just gotta loosen it, slide the belt off, and then I can start moving these out of the way. And now that I got that bolt loose down there, this should be pretty easy, as you can tell right here. You can even see it, how it's loose. So now, I just gotta take these off. And it should slide right off. So now I continue over here. Alright, so after I got my 12s, all the black ones are 12s, gold ones are 10s, 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 and 10. Now they're all loose and they lifted. See that? So now I can actually pull out my cams. Right after I move this, pop these out, I can move this out the way, and then my disc can come out with it too. Pulls off, and just like these, should just wiggle right off, all of them. And just like I told you guys, I only removed that one and the bottom one, left those, and now it's easy peasy to pop it out. See that? We got them all out. I'll show you. Well, right there. So when I put them back on, it's not going to be much of a pain to get it retuned. But just remember, every time you take those cams out, you have to do a valve adjustment. Alright, so I got that off already. Got that one off. You just got to get these clamps, squish them, pull out. Squish, pull out. Down here's another one, squish, pull out. Once you got them out, give it a good little wiggle. It should break loose. Give it a little wiggle, they'll break loose. You know what I mean? See? Now they're out. See? Another one. This one's gonna have to be done by hand because it's a little bit bigger. But that's out. So now, I just have this feed line for the turbo. It's 2 10s. I gotta unbolt it, then I can undo the head. Well, fuck. The most crucial fucking socket I need was a 14 12 point, and I forgot it at fucking work. Now I can't even take out the ARP head bolts. And I gotta wait to see if my homie can come in clutch. So we'll see if he really is a homie. Damn. My homie came in clutch. Looks like we'll be able to take this head off today. He gave me a clutch. Damn. Let's get this bitch off. All the ARP head bolts out, or nuts should I say. 13mm 12 points. Now I'm ready to pull this off. I just got some vacuum lines that I unplugged back here, and that's pretty much it. Head is officially off. It's right there next to my bike. So we're okay, but as you can see, this one has a little bit of play. I'm just gonna have to spin it real quick. Holy shit. Damn. Damn, that bitch is hard. I don't know if you guys can see it, but looks like we might have a little bit of a hit. Looks like we can probably get away with the home. Let me spin a little bit more and I'll get back to you guys. Hey guys, what's going on? So it's kind of late already, but I already tore it apart, and the sleeves are a little bit worn. Nothing too crazy where I'm pretty sure I could get away with the light home. And for sure that rod is gone. I couldn't get that far, but from what I saw, it was. I'll have to continue later on and you guys will be able to see. But for now, it'll be the end of the video. Stay tuned for the next one. The block is coming out and we're gonna see how that rod looks.